Today I'm going to share my journey of how I lost 20 pounds in just 30 days by following a vegan diet. Here are the key strategies and practices that helped me achieve this remarkable weight loss. Number 1. Whole foods plant-based diet. I transitioned to a whole foods plant-based diet, focusing on consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while being low in calories and saturated fats. Number 2. Portion control. I practice portion control by measuring my food portions and paying attention to serving sizes. By being mindful of how much I was eating, I was able to prevent overeating and maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Number 3. Increased physical activity. I incorporated regular physical activity into my daily routine, including activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and strength training exercises. Exercise helped boost my metabolism, burn calories, and build lean muscle mass, which contributed to my weight loss success. Number 4. Hydration. I prioritized staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Drinking water helped me feel full and satisfied, curbing my appetite and preventing overeating. It also supported my body's natural detoxification processes and overall health. Number 5. Mindful eating. I practiced mindful eating by paying attention to my hunger and fullness cues, as well as savoring and enjoying my meals without distractions. This helped me develop a healthier relationship with food and avoid emotional eating or binging. Number 6. Meal planning and preparation. I planned and prepared my meals ahead of time to ensure that I always had healthy and nutritious options available. This prevented me from resorting to unhealthy convenience foods or fast food options when I was hungry or pressed for time. Number 7. Consistency and persistence. I remained consistent and persistent in my efforts to follow a vegan diet and engage in regular physical activity. While there were challenges and setbacks along the way, I stayed committed to my goals and focused on making sustainable lifestyle changes for long-term success. Number 8. Listening to my body. I listened to my body's needs and made adjustments to my diet and exercise routine accordingly. This included tuning into my hunger, energy levels, and cravings, as well as recognizing when I needed rest and recovery. By implementing these strategies and practices, I was able to achieve significant weight loss on a vegan diet in just 30 days. However, it's important to remember that everyone's journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to find an approach that is sustainable, enjoyable, and tailored to your individual needs and preferences.